Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing my Ricky's Cult Brushes unboxing. So we're just gonna get right into it. As usual, all the information below about this box will be listed in the box below, as well as the link to my giveaway I have going on. So make sure you check that out if you're interested in entering. All right, as usual, they don't have the prices listed on here, so I will list them on the screen when I go through them. So the first thing I see is I've never actually tried anything from House of Lashes, which is like a pretty big brand, right? So this is the Hash of Lashes. House of Lashes, single pair of lashes, and these are in Temptress, and they look really pretty. They look very long for me. Like these are like 3 times the length of my lashes, so I don't know if I can get away with these. They look really nice though. Maybe I'll do it. The next thing I see is actually from Ricky's, and I didn't mind their last brush they sent, but it broke when I opened it. But I have actually heard good things about this. Why can't I talk today? Beauty sponge. So this is the Ricky Care non-latex beauty sponge. It's their 3D blender. Let's take it out and feel it, because I know that doesn't mean everything, but it actually feels okay. It kind of feels velvety. It doesn't feel as dense as some, but I will definitely wet it and try it out. All right, the next thing I see is the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. It says vitamin E, nourishes skin, and provides a perfect base for foundation. I'm assuming it's gonna be silicone based. I don't love silicone-based stuff. I use them a little more now, but there's only like 1 or 2 that I actually like. Yeah, this is definitely silicone. It looked like it was peeling off. This actually doesn't feel too bad. Maybe I'll try this. Although it is giving it a kind of dry look on my skin, so I don't know. All right, the next is by Palladio, and this is the liquid eyeliner in black. I'm not going to open this because I don't use liquid liner, so I will pass this on. And the last thing in here, holy effing shit, is from TheBalm. Man of my dreams, it's the Meet Matte Trimony Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Perfect. I'm extremely happy about this. This is like a expensive palette, and it's a high-end palette, so that's pretty freaking cool. All colors I will wear. I'm very excited to try these. Now, this was probably one of the best boxes I've ever gotten from. And this box is literally only like $11 a month. All right, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe if you did. Hit the notification bell to be alerted to when I upload again, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching and hanging out with me. Bye, guys.